Topic 46. Time: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Spring, summer, autumn, fall, winter, rainy season, dry season, morning, afternoon, evening, dusk, twilight, sunrise, sunset, daylight, midday, noon, midnight, week, month, season, year, decade, century, millennium, light year, leap year, fortnight, generation, clock, alarm clock, ADJS, hourly, nightly, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, fortnightly, bi-monthly, bi-yearly, semi-yearly, short-lived, eternal, month-long, fast, expeditious. Verbs: open, begin, carry through, finish, complete, end, close, enter, pass, halt, last, expire. Topic 47. Signs: stick no bills, keep off the grass, no smoking, no littering, no parking, no U-turn, no left turn, no admission, no entry, do not enter. Center line: right lane, left lane, inside lane, outside lane, fast lane, slow lane, middle lane, center lane, road, highway, interstate highway, freeway, motorway, underpass, embankment, cycle and pedestrian route, bike and pedestrian path, one-way street, two-way traffic, junction, intersection, east, west, south, north, bridge, overpass, flyover, footbridge, pavement, sidewalk, service station, service area, elevator, lift, push, pull, entrance, exit, emergency exit, danger, wet floor, beware of dog, road sign, bank, WC water closet, grass verge, speed limit, give way, yield, fasten seat belt, turn right, curve to right, stop, for sale, out of order, free admission, for rent, fire alarm, under repair, under construction, crash barrier. Topic 48. Weather: it's windy, it's sunny, it's rainy, it's snowy, it's foggy, it's stormy, it's drizzling, it's sprinkling, it's pouring, it's raining hard, it rains cats and dogs, it's snowing hard, to be wet to the ski, to be soaking wet, humid wet, it's humid, the weather is sultry, the heat is stuffy, it's very hot, the wind was like knife, it's bitter cold, icy wind, it's rather cold, it's getting very dark, it's very close today, the cloud is gathering, the storm is brewing, a storm is coming, the wind is coming up, it's blowing hard, the wind has stopped, there's a heavy fog today, the fog is beginning to lift, what glorious weather, it's clear up, it gets brighter, it's brightened up now, it's bright and sunny, it's quite warm and nice, it's fair and warm, it's so cool, it's 35 degrees Celsius, nasty unpleasant, you are weather-wise. Lovely weather, isn't it? Topic 49. Animals: calf, cow, bull, bison, dolphin, whale, fox, wolf, wolves, dog, puppy, mouse, mice, rat, hamster, mole, kangaroo, sheep, lamb, goat, ibex, bear, polar bear, panda, sea lion, seal, beaver, otter, cat, kitten, lynx, leopard, tiger, lion, monkey, gorilla, chimpanzee, baboon, deer, roe deer, stag, doe, giraffe, mule, donkey, horse, foal, zebra, hedgehog, porcupine, squirrel, rabbit, hare, camel, hippopotamus, buffalo, rhinoceros, elephant, pig, bat, fur, mane, hump, paw, tail, snout, muzzle, hoof, claw, tusk, goat's beard, whiskers, horn, antler, pouch, adjs, grass-eating, flesh-eating, hairy, horned, trained, tamed, tameable, untamable, domestic, refractory, docile, patient, timorous, agile, nimble, meek. Verbs: feed, fed, fed, suck, suckle, browse, water, ruminate, milk, brood, lay eggs, breed, bread, bread, mount a horse, go for a ride, take a ride, trot, gallop, shelter, watch over, tie, unchain, get loose, scratch, paw, bite, kick, throw, scent, pull, carry, pat, wag, tame, castrate, bridle, saddle, bray, crow, cluck, neigh, low, bleat, bark, yap, yelp, snarl, purr, mew, meow, grunt, snort, whine. Topic 50. Insects and birds. Insects: may, bug, dung, beetle, mantis, beetle, scorpion, ladybird, ladybug, caterpillar, moth, butterfly, roach, cockroach, worm, earthworm, bee, wasp, snail, slug, cricket, fly, mosquito, ant, spider, dragonfly, grasshopper, woodworm, woodlouse, ichneumon fly, cicada, cocoon, birds, chicken, chick, hen, rooster, cock, turkey, pheasant, duck, drake, goose, stork, swan, eagle, hawk, falcon, osprey, barn owl, parrot, parakeet, lovebird, gull, seagull, swift, swallow, martin, wagtail, skylark, flycatcher, coquette, kingfisher, woodpecker, quail, salingane, sparrow, mavis, nightingale, canary, blackbird, oriole, ostrich, penguin, phoenix, pelican, crane, bittern, cuckoo, lapwing, rook,